it's that noise. Actually, they use little noises like that to signal that there's something going on.
What noise?
Oh, there's pulled a few out my back down there.
There's a few more. There's about 4 down there. Look again, they're all coming out again.
Look at them, they're looking. Got it, she's got it.
Yeah, look, they're all looking over there.
Oh, they're coming over.
Oh,
They're over, look, you've done it.
Who is it?
it's the Meerlop Queen.
It's a meerlop. There we go. Oh, yeah.
There they go.
Keep going, Liz.
Look at them all.
They're looking for who it is. There's a stranger amongst us. Oh my god, they're coming from everywhere.
You're the Meerlop Whisperer. See the Meerlop Whisperer?
Oh, that one's a baby one.
Who's that?
Look, they're all standing up.
They're confused. That's more the signal of danger. They're all looking. They thought they must have had to move from there.
Oh, is that a flash?
Oh, look at them all. See, it is the meat signal.
And this one's on sentry duty.
Yeah, he doesn't want to leave his heat spot.
But he's watching out for the gang.
The gang. They don't like the screaming
Another one
children.
down there. Look.
Oh look, Liz. Yeah, Mike's right. Once it's popped its head out of that log.
Oh, God, there's another 3 over there.
Is it? It's a hive of Meerlop activity.
Oh. Oh.
It's a hive of Meerlop activity. Go, Liz, do it. Meep. Oh, the mirror.
Running for cover.
That sentry duty one.
Oh, he's a brave one. He doesn't move.
He's called Shakespeare. There it is. Gosh.
Hey, look at that. Please do not put it on the wall.
Please do not meet on the wall. Meerlop Whisperer.
Oh, look again. And that one's looking over there too. Look at that one.
I know about this one. He must be a show off. He likes being on stage.